Hi guys, welcome to my bathroom. We're gonna be filming a little makeup video. Well, we're trying out some products today. I'm gonna have to film any of my videos like this in my bathroom for a little while because Braylee is in my office. So the lighting in here is not ideal, but we're gonna make it work. It's fine. I got this foundation from TikTok shop. It's just from Ordinary. When I saw it on TikTok, that was the first time I had heard about it. It looked beautiful. It was like $8. I think it's pretty cheap. And I thought we could try it out together and see what it looks like. Okay, but first, before I give this a try, I did do a little video doing my mom's hair. So here is the vlog of that day with my mom. I really need to get a car mount, so I apologize that it's a little bouncy. Just got to Utah. I'm almost at the salon. Hopefully I beat my mom there. She might get there. I'm like right on time for what I told her, but I was hoping to be a little bit early because I have all of my stuff in my car, so I have to get set up. But it's my mom, so I'll be fine. I'm not doing like this whole update on like what's going on because I haven't talked much about working at a salon or what I've been doing. I have been working a little bit, just as much as I could with Casey working because he was so busy this year, but it was so loud in my car. My car is loud like on the freeway, so I didn't do an update. I do plan on doing that, but just not right now. It's so fun like to be in my hometown. You know, everything is just like nostalgic to like drive past parks and things like that. It just makes me happy to be here. Okay, I don't think my mom is here. Okay, we'll see you inside. So my mom really just needed like a root touch up. We did pull some color through her ends a little bit. We plan on going a little lighter, but just felt like her hair just needed a break from the lightener. She does have extensions and the extensions have lighter pieces through them. We decided to just do the color this time, and next time we will be pulling lightener through and just lightening her hair ever so slightly to blend in with those extensions a little bit better. I always love doing my mom's hair, but it looks beautiful. It's always good to get a little refresh, and I'm excited to show you her hair next time.
Traveling from the deep forest into the sun.
Isn't my mom just so beautiful? So great to be at the salon. I always love it, and working with my friend. It was a really good day, and I hope to be working in the salon a little more often. I'm gonna shake this up. Does it say too? Yes, it says shake before using. So this is a serum foundation. I'm just gonna put some on my hand. Very liquidy. I'm sure you could apply this different ways. I just always feel like when I'm applying any foundation, it just seems to work better if I like work it in using my fingers. But I don't know if it's just my mature skin or what, or if I just finally figured out that that's what I like better. You can use less foundation this way because if I put it right onto the beauty blender is going to absorb some of that product. But I also feel like I can just kind of like get it pushed in to like my fine lines and wrinkles and pores and all of the fun things about mature skin. It feels really nice. Very lightweight. It is a very lightweight foundation. I don't know if it's buildable. This is the first time that I've used it. If you do see any like peeling, it's my lotion, my face lotion. I cannot find a face lotion that doesn't peel under my foundation. So now I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and really blend that out, remove any excess. I got this on TikTok shop, but I know it is like available at Ulta. I always try to use like links and things like that. Help creators or just anyone. Anyone can make so much money, especially on TikTok it seems. I do think it feels really nice. And I do actually really like the coverage. I don't really have like breakouts or anything that I need to cover up, but I definitely have redness, and I feel like it covered the redness. And I don't see why this couldn't be buildable. Maybe I'll add just more like through here because this is where I have a lot of redness. I feel like if I added too much like here, I have some like creping through there and like little wrinkles. I don't like to add a lot of product right through there because then you can see it more. Okay, I just put a little on this beauty blender. Nice. You definitely could layer that. It's sitting really nicely on top of that first layer. All right, I like it. I think it looks nice. I also got this foundation, also from TikTok shop. TikTok shop just really got me with these. They were very inexpensive, both free shipping. So I was like, okay, I will find a link for the Ordinary foundation, and I will try to find a link for this one. I'll show this one another day because I actually really like this one also. I got a new eyebrow product that I love. I'm gonna add more concealer, and if I have too much product under my eyes, it's not good. This is a brow product that I love. It's by NYX. I really love NYX's eyebrow products. I've used so many of them. This has been the best eyebrow gel that I've used. It has really kept my eyebrows in place. I don't think I have like stubborn eyebrows, but a lot of the products that I've tried just don't keep them where I want them. I do dye my eyebrows with this. It works the best, it lasts the longest, it's fast. I get the lightest shade and it's still pretty dark. So even if your hair is like a little darker than mine, I would maybe start with the lightest shade. It is darker than you think it's gonna be. It's darker than the picture. Squeezing the tube to get a little out. And then I'm gonna work that through my eyebrows to get it all the way in there. And then I just use the applicator to pull it up. You could also use a spoolie if you're more comfortable using a spoolie. Braylee tried this and she didn't like it as much because she likes a spoolie. I really should have done this before I put anything else on because I feel like I still have some product in my eyebrows. And that will definitely make my eyebrows look a little yucky. I usually go through with my fingers and do this. And just kind of set them where I want them. And then you have a facelift on one side. Getting a little more product, working that through. I really actually like this applicator. You can see my old tattoo or micro needling. I don't know what it is. Do I regret it? Sometimes. I do think that micro needling has come along. Microblading, did I say micro needling? I meant microblading. This looks like it's probably the tattoo. I do like microblading better. And I feel like it's come a long way. You can really see like the strands. It's not like the solid harsh line. I did have some removed from like my tail. I've seen different videos of people saying, okay, everyone who did microblading when it was very big, everyone was doing it. How do you feel now? And it's not that I would or wouldn't recommend it because I'm glad that I have it. I just think now is a better time to get it because I just feel like the education is better. People are doing a better job. People know. Hey boy. I think that lucky you that you didn't have to go through trial and error like some of us. I did also get this from e.l.f. It's a little eyebrow pen and I really like it too. So I just go through like those little areas and just kind of blend that up. Can't even really tell. And it's so tiny that you can just do little like strokes. I was worried when I got this color that it was gonna be too light, but I really like it. I think it's great. This concealer is one that I've had forever. Not this one, I just repurchased it, but I've been using this concealer forever and ever. I always try other ones and then I always go back to this because it's just so good. It's a Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. It's just so easy to use. It works so good. I think it's the best with like maturing skin. You wanna say cheese? Cheese. Hi cutie, you need a haircut today? I think we're gonna cut his hair today. We need to. It's so long. It goes so fast. This concealer blends out so easily. I usually just like will blend it out with my finger, but you can also use a beauty blender, but it's just so great. I guess I'll just continue on and show you all my products that I love. This is a bronzer I've been using. I love this. It's so great and it's very inexpensive. I just got it at Walmart. I've been using this little brush by e.l.f. to put it on my nose, and I've been just putting a little here, a little here, a little on the sides. I was doing like this situation that everyone was doing, and I would look at photos of myself and I was like, why does my nose look so weird? For the longest time, I'm like, why did my nose shape change so much? It's because I was contouring my nose wrong. I didn't want to like thin my nose like that. So when you are contouring your nose, you can't do it the same as everyone. So definitely look into like your nose shape, what you're going for, and you can find so many different tutorials on where to place your bronzer or your contour because it can really change your whole entire look. I mean, duh, that's why we do it, but you might not be doing what you think you're doing, I guess is what I should say. I don't know if I talked about this before. I feel like I did. I don't know if it's as I've aged or if I just noticed this and I didn't notice it before. I feel like sometimes you can see the skin underneath my eyelashes on top. It looks a little weird sometimes. So I started lining like the waterline on top and it just looks so much better. It's such a small thing to do, but I do feel like it just makes it look so much better. Another product that I've been using forever is Thrive Mascara, the liquid lash extensions. But I did try something new and I got the brown just for every day. I do love it. This isn't gross, this is so yummy. Really got me this for Christmas. It smells so good. This is also the perfume I wear. Oh, So good. I didn't plan for this video to be this long, but let me hurry and show you one more thing. Okay, I'm pretty sure that these are new from NYX. They are lip stains. I saw these on TikTok, but I got these at Ulta. I got the colors Barely There and Cuff Me. One is a little more pink, one is a little more nude. They last such a long time. They work so well. They're easy to apply. Hi. I love the little applicator. My lips are kind of on the smaller side, I would say. So I do like to overline my lips. This can get a little tricky. Yesterday I got home from somewhere and I only had the lip liner around my lips and it looked really dumb. So you gotta stay aware. It's so cute. Okay, and then I'm gonna go down a little. And then right below.
You okay, Finn?
Definitely not a perfect application, but the color is really great. I think that these are the two like lightest shades in the nude and in the pink. They're such great colors. I like this foundation. I really like it. It feels really nice too, like very, very light. Anyways, thanks for letting me just chit chat about some of my favorite products. I love doing this and I just feel like I haven't been doing things that I love. And on my last video, I asked like what you guys would want to see and you guys were just so great. And everyone said just do what you love to do. And that made me so happy and really stop and like reflect on what this space is for. And I feel like it is for that. It's for sharing things that we love and connecting and me letting you guys know what makes me happy and you guys let me know what makes you happy. And it's just like a great little space and I'm so grateful for that. And I'm grateful for that reminder because I have just felt like stuck. Like, what do I do? What do people want? What is gonna do well? And I don't know the answer to those things, but I do know that I always want to stay true to who I am and what I love and what I'm capable of, and so I'm gonna do that. Cute. When you order things, you should just order some for me too. Can you make me cuter and more in style?
I like these too because they're see-through, so you can see your eyes.
Oh, cute. These are really cute. Let's see if I can wear these. Yes. What do you think?
Cute, yeah, they're so cute. These ones are cute too, the shape.
Cute. Were these all the same set?
Yeah.
Cutie.
Spent $1.25 on them all.
She got these from Shein.
I don't support Shein, but I do
Oh, you don't?
cheap prices.
You're the only one in this family that supports Shein. Oh, these are cute. I think you can get these from Amazon. I'm gonna find some.
Yeah, you can get
Wait,
them
are
from
you supposed to
Amazon.
wear them lower?
Yeah.
Or just like normal?
On the
Like
bridge of
can
your nose.
can you wear them like this?
Yeah.
Okay. I do need some new sunglasses. Oh, Braylee, your hair. Here's Braylee's
That's not pretty good
hair.
in this lighting.
I know this lighting is
It's
bad,
really cute though.
but it is really cute. I mean, it looks cute right there. We've curled it. We've done so many fun styles. It's adorable. It looks so good on her. It makes me want to cut my hair every day.
10 out of 10 recommend.
It's so cute on you. I tried a new foundation today.
Looks good. Your skin looks so good.
It does.
Yeah. Yeah, it actually does.
You should, I mean, it's probably too light for you, but you could just see how you like it. It's Ordinary.
Oh, really?
It's a foundation serum.
I have heard of that actually, I think.
I just saw it on TikTok shop, so I ordered it. I really like that other one too that I got.
TikTok
So,
shop.
huh?
From TikTok shop also.
Yeah. TikTok really got me. They were like, do you need foundation? And I was like, I think so.
Yes.
So, anyways, I like it. It's like very lightweight. Hi. Want to get up here? Is your room clean?
No.
Okay. So not showing Braylee's room today. You should clean your room and I should clean everything else up there. Just get things organized. I just need to get things organized and like taken out to my, I have storage shelves in the garage and just take them out there because they're all old crafts. I'm still loving these that I made. You can see like the situation here where it didn't stick all the way. But I still just love them. They look so pretty in here. I really had like full intentions of doing like a total room makeover and I haven't done that. But we have this, we have the new bedding that we love and it looks better in here. I also raised up my headboard. This was a very cheap headboard that I got years ago. But I like it. I like it all. Do you want to do some little Valentine's crafts this weekend?
Yeah, maybe. I have a wedding to go to.
Well, that's what I'm gonna take all day. Okay, checking in with the foundation. I do feel like it looks a little better. Settling into the skin nicely, but not into the fine lines and wrinkles too much. So definitely recommend this. I'll leave a link for everything that I used down below if you want to give anything a try. Let me know if you do, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.